Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to resolve payment and tax issues. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're going to tackle how to resolve payment and tax issues on Amazon Seller Central. If you're encountering any problems, here's a straightforward guide to help you out. Start by accessing your payment details. Go to the burger menu in the top left corner and select Payments. Then click on Payments to dive into your payment details. Once you're in there, you'll see any alerts or notifications that might indicate issues with your payments. Review your recent transactions and check for any discrepancies. If you find something wrong, follow the prompts to resolve the issue. For tax-related concerns, head over to the Reports section in the burger menu. Look for Tax Document Library, where you can review your tax documents and ensure everything is current. Update any necessary information if needed. If you still have issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Amazon Seller Support. You can open a case from the Help section in Seller Central and provide details about your issue. Regularly checking your payments and tax documents will help keep everything in order and avoid any unexpected issues. Hope this helps. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.